been looking at buying a PC for my son, and one option that we have is a refurbished Mac Mini, which is $569 Australian. But of course, ask any PC person, can you build a PC that is cheaper than a Mac Mini using all new parts that performs better? And they'll say, of course you can. So I'm just on this site, which is kind of budget, but I haven't built a PC for a very long time. And I've gone through in their PC builder and I have picked the cheapest everything. I'm not trying to upgrade or go beyond the Mac Mini specs. Everything is the cheapest in its category. The grand total is, before an operating system, $100 more.